Parang Yukon.
Parang may capsule ka lang.
Mag-drive tayo mamaya.
Parkingan naman.
Kailan sila?
Sa next na og.
Alright. Let's go fishing!
Dito tayo lang sa...
Ikaw kaya mag-vlog. Nasaan daw tayo?
Titignan ko yung cable. Ito yung... Saan yung dulo? Hindi ko na makita. May tumatalon.
Eh di, hagisan natin.
Jervik.
The riverman rises early. His boat connected, off he goes. Hooks have been laid, bait was done. Off to the river, it's one-on-one. Pull up a line, basket or box, catfish. He hopes, 1, 2, 3, and 4, he hopes there are a lot more catfish. As he pulls the line, it...
Hi. You're a primary color.
You are.
We really have to go tomorrow.
Suka makabito ko.
After breakfast.
Oh, the waterfall? But then, Daddy.
It's probably not roaches.
No boy.
Pato na, wala na.
Ganun-ganun pag-stop. Pagkadating lang, ayoko na nga. Balik na ako doon.
Shout! Ah!
Mommy.
Baka ayaw maghintay yun, mag-away na kami. So, diretso kayo dun sa surban. Labas sa live.
Jin enjoy yan.
Okay. Oh, what is? No.
There's like a...
Mommy. Wee. Mama. Mama. So, before I just
But, see, I think...
pretend you're spinning a wheel and then you won us. Okay.
Do you have a hat, ate?
Yes, in my backpack.
Oh, yes.
Ay, naputo.
How many have you got so far?
Crabber. Like, it's the rock.
It's a stone.
Falls up.
Yeah, you got something. A rock.
Diyan lang ako bumabato, ganyan lang.
May bait ka ba dyan, kuya? Kakamayin ko na. Ba't ganun, te?
Coming, I'm coming.
Ang bilis na sa'yo, ah.
Wow! Okay. Bye.
Sino nakahuli? Good job, Zach! Wow!
Sa tapat mo lang yung itim na yan, malalim na yan. Yan, nandyan sila lahat.
Oh, wait. Oh,
Hindi gagalawin? Jason, ano gagalawin? Or gagalaw or wag na? Bayaan lang. I-steady ko lang.
kamawala ng pag-asa, kuya.
This is not even my towel.
Today's indigenous people would do
Oh, I got one! I got one!
Go jump in.
Wow.
Oh my God!
Anong feeling, kuya?
Malaramdaman mo.
Oh.
May struggle. Ma, picture mo ako, ma.
Did you see me get a fish?
Yan, antay ko lang si Princess para makahuli ako eh.
Buti tumigil lang ulan.
Ay.
It's chubby fish.
So, ganitong hawak ko.
Okay, sa baba ng ulo.
Wait, Baba.
Hawak mo lang yung ganyan.
Okay.
No, not yet!
No, we're done.
No! I'm gonna try to get fish.
Yun. Thank you. Ano kuya, okay ka na? Matatahimik ka na.
Yeah. Nagano naman tayo.
Let's go. Come. Aries, on the other side. Come here. Ang sinasabi ko sa kanya.
Kasi yung umaga, di ba naka-poncho sila?
I'm tall as that stick when I...
Simple ng buhay sa probinsya.
Gusto rin nila natin ng ganito para pa.
Hello. Nakatulog kami from 4 to 6. Alibat kay Sabi. Tapos ngayon kami maliligo na 6:40. At wow, gandang shot.
Oh, may CR pala doon.
That's for the group camping.
Oh, yeah.
Anyway, this is our last bukas uwi na. Siyempre last night na ngayon.
Ayan nga. Uwi na po.
Tapos bukas kami ang magluluto ng breakfast.
I did that red. Yeah, I got red. And you got blue.
Nakakain na kayo?
Ganito,
Yeah.
Jeffy, ganito yung mangyayari. Papunta.
Yeah, napang
Oh, sige. 6 ko na lang. Kasi may tuloy.
Zach farted.
Take one.
Zach farted. Hi, guys. See this keyboard? Nice.
Yes?
When you said too big, I
Oh my gulay. Anong maximum output nito?
Grabe yung pila, no?
Kaya daw pila ko yan. Missing ito.
more days.
Oh, kaya plastic.
Pero sabi niya dito sa verse 42, therefore keep watch because you do not know on what day your Lord will come. And also the servant, yung sa 45, who then is the faithful and wise servant whom his master has put in charge of the servants in his household to give them their food at the proper time. Yun yun. Tapos number 3, you
I think the wise were attentive sa measurement siguro ng
Di ba yung lahat ng
diba?
torch ay
Naka-on talaga.
Kaya attentive yung wise na going out yung
yung
kanilang
refill siya ng
oras.
refill.
But the foolish. Nakalagay kasi dito, sabi niya, sindi.
Meron, malakasindi, meron
Pero
pa.
paubos na yung
Paubos na.
nagpo-fuel sa
And might not be enough to meet the group.
But the worst thing is like, ang sinabi niya dun, they know that ano yung pagkakasabi mo kanina?
They knew that they're all is,
Yeah. So, they know.
Yun nga, yung
di na
wise were
hindi
busy.
na masindihan, hindi nagla-light na.
Yeah.
See?
I think the wise were busy trying to make sure na may oil sila so they see it.
Light, yeah.
Right? They maybe